Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about the topic the what is ERP. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in technology or you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. Friend, ERP stand for Enterprise Resource Planning, is basically a software designed to manage and integrate the functions of core business process like finance, HR, supply chain and inventory management in a single system. Widely used in business of all sizes, ERP is considered a must-have for large enterprises and is increasingly being deployed in growing small businesses. The complexity of the global economy and modern consumer demands have made streamlining business processes and managing and optimizing data critical. ERP is typically the foundation of these capabilities. The key components of ERP system. Friend, ERP system consists of software components or modules, each of which focuses on a distinct business process. Certain modules are considered core to nearly every type of business and the first to be deployed. The Erp Finance Module automates basic accounting, invoicing, financial analysis, forecasting, and reporting. It is often the main reason a company moves to ERP from a standalone accounting software. The growing complexity of the business makes apparent the need to have a single system to manage all of the financial transactions and accounting for multiple business units or product lines. Human resources, also known as human capital management, is another core process that companies try to improve with ERP. Basic human resource management system handles employee records, benefit management, and payroll, but often adds talent management functions such as recruiting and performance management. Other ERP modules common to most business includes order management, customer relationship management, and purchasing procurement. Companies involved in manufacturing or distribution typically add a supply chain management module to track inventory levels and manage warehouses and transportation across the supply chain. If their business needs are complex, they might add a warehouse management system and transportation management system, perhaps from different software vendors, to manage these logistics functions. These additional modules, which companies often buy when they outgrow the typically more basic modules included in their ERP system, are often called best of breed. Now, how the ERP system work actually? Friend, ERP is distinguished from a standalone application by its central database that records information from the business transactions and other actions carried out in the modules, and by integration that allows the modules to communicate with each other and with the common database. The centralized database provides what's known in IT as a single source of truth, ensuring that every module has accurate, up-to-date information. ERP system is also likely to have a consistent look and feel across modules, unlike a collection of business management software from different vendors. Now here is an abbreviated example of how these connected modules share information to help an ERP user complete a set of tasks called order to cash, the process of entering customer orders, delivering products, then receiving and recording payment. The ERP user enters information about the customer such as contact information and creates a sales order in the order management module. Then they check availability of the product in the inventory management module or a part of order management with access to inventory data and return to order management to arrange shipping. When confirmation arrives that the customer received the shipment, the user creates an entry in the accounts receivable section of the general ledger, the collective name for the accounts in the ERP Finance module. There they generate an invoice and send it to the customer. When payment arrives, the user enters the payment in the general ledger or in a cash management module, and the revenue is recorded and reconciled with the company's bank account. If the workflow is mostly automated, much of this manual data entry is performed by the ERP system, and some data fields will already be filled in with information from other modules. Behind the scenes, ERP modules are exchanging messages with each other or changing records in the database to ensure that the data is accurate. For example, when the user requests an order shipment, data accessed by the inventory management module must change to reflect the reduction in available inventory. Now, what are the benefits of the ERP system? ERP offers numerous benefits, most of which come from information sharing and standardization. Because ERP modules can share data more easily than disparate systems, they can make cross departmental business processes easier to manage. They can also enable better insights from real time data and business intelligence, especially with the newer technologies that many ERP systems are including, such as advanced analytics, artificial intelligence, including machine learning, and industrial IoT. In addition, ERP software provides several other advantages, which are boost efficiency by automating data collection, enables growth by managing increasingly complex business process, helps lower risk by enabling better compliance, fosters collaboration through data sharing and integrated information, improves customer service, improves supply chain management, saves money by streamlining process, enables greater, often real-time visibility into parts of the business such as inventory that are critical for meeting customer needs, and enable better reporting and planning due to better data. So then there are few types of ERP system. ERP products generally vary by the size of the company. They are intended for the type of computing infrastructure they run on and whether they have features specific to a particular industry. Small business versus mid-market versus large enterprises. For the small business market, some vendors make entry-level ERP that comes with core HR, finance, and other commonly used modules such as order management and CRM, and is relatively easy to implement. Other products are meant for the so-called mid-market. Definitions vary, but mid-market is generally defined as companies with several hundred employees and annual revenues between $50 million to $1 billion. Mid-market ERP adds more optional modules such as supply chain management and WMS, and can accommodate more users than entry-level ERP. Some vendors of entry-level ERP sell to both small and mid-market, also called medium-sized businesses, often lumped together as SMBs, and claim their products can scale to accommodate growth. The top category is large enterprises, companies with more than 1 billion in revenue and typically thousands of employees. Not surprisingly, enterprise ERP systems usually have the most modules, with more capabilities in each module and capacity for thousands, even hundreds of thousands of users. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friend.